what? Oh,
Yes.
I hate this thing.
Why are we here?
I'm here to get sand.
This is your favorite store? Is this your favorite store?
Not really.
Okay, can you tell me why
Yes, I
you're...
do. I love this place.
Tell me why you're looking for some sand.
I'm looking for some sand for my garden. I want to make a Zen garden for my Buddha.
A Zen garden. She's got this Buddha that we brought all the way from Hawaii. And
Yes.
she wants to make a Zen garden, so she's looking for sand. What kind of sand are you looking for? White and black?
No.
Oh,
Well,
that's where yin and a yang sand.
I'm not going to go with the black sand. I'm going to go with black rocks, I think. Black river rocks. I don't know yet. I don't know.
So we're on a mission. She's looking for some sand. We actually got a rake. She wanted a nice rake that would claw through and make lines on the sand. I think that's what you want, right?
For a Zen garden.
Is that how Zen gardens always have?
Yeah, they have swirls and circles.
Yeah.
And
so
lines.
that's why we're here. And we'll probably show you along the way what we end up doing in the backyard, right?
Yes.
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. I'm gonna go over this way. I was gonna go over there. That's the lumber yard area. And we're actually going over to the garden area. And spring has sprung, has it not?
It's a long spring.
It's a long spring. Look, there's even snow still up on the mountains. Look at that. The other day it was 80 degrees, and today high is going to be 61. It's supposed to sprinkle later. I love this weather.
That area that's not showing.
For where?
The front lawn.
Oh, where the bunnies have been eating our grass in the front yard, just along the sides. And we talked to the landscaper, and he's supposed to fix that. I told him to cut little areas out, and he said he's going to get some sod. And the thing about sod, I told him, make sure you get the same type of grass, that because there's 3 or 4 different types of sod. So you don't want to just throw it in there on your grass and then find out you got 2 different kinds of sod, you know, colors out there. That's the last thing I hate. Oh, look at this. We're not going to plant anything. We're not even moved in just yet. We're looking for some sand. Hey, shouldn't we?
Yeah.
Shouldn't. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good.
Where would your sand be?
Sand is going to be over
You want a cart?
far other side by the fencing.
All the sand, because this is like for a Zen garden sand, that type of
All
sand.
the sand.
It's all over
there.
on that
All the way
side.
over
Yeah,
there.
by the fencing.
Okay.
Okay.
Okie dokie.
We need to walk back.
All right.
Yeah. Did you want a cart?
Oh, we'll get one along the way. Thank you.
Know your store, baby cakes.
I have to get to know it.
Yep. And I like most Home Depots, once you go into one and you get it figured out, most of them are kind of set up the same. Pretty much. Hey, where's the exit? I was going to show you a trick. Let's go into the exit, because remember I told you?
No, I watched you.
Remember?
Damn it, going the wrong way.
No. I was going to show you where the plastic bag stuff is, and the rope and all this kind of stuff. Last time she went, she got some lawn stuff like Miracle Grow, and she put it in the back of the car, and then it leaked all over the place. Oh, you know what? It's over at the lumber. It's at the lumber. Okay, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Oh, you're kind of bundled up, but I've got just a t-shirt on. I'm liking this. Yeah.
I'm freezing.
Freezing. Oh, there it is right there.
Oh.
See?
Oh.
That stuff.
well,
Okay, here.
Oh, I know, I see it now.
There's red flags. You get your red flag out. Usually there's plastic on here, and you pull out, and there's a piece of plastic.
Is this a flag?
Yeah, you pull those out. No, wait. Let me show you. See this here?
Oh, I see it.
Okay, there's a way to cut it usually. Oh, right here. Sometimes they have a little hacksaw blade here. Here, hold this. And show me. this stuff works really good. And sometimes there's a hacksaw blade and then you go like that to cut it. But see, here's this cutter. This says cutter right here. I'm not sure. Oh, you lift it up. Hey.
Good luck.
Maybe it's right there.
I don't think it's working.
Oh, maybe right there.
All right, that's
See,
enough.
it says cutter.
That's enough.
Oh. I think there's a blade back there. There.
Voila.
But
right.
lots of times there's a hacksaw blade. You just go like that, cut it off. Then you can take that and
bored.
tie your. She's bored. You can tie your hatchback down. You can put your flags, and then usually they have plastic here. You pull this out, and then you can put that in the back seat, in your trunk, in the back of your SUV, and then put your plants down there, concrete or whatever. Okay? There's a tip for you. All right, where did she go? Okay, baby. You found the sand. Look at this. At Home Depot, there's 3 different kinds of sand. Here's all-purpose sand. Play sand, natural play sand, like for playgrounds and stuff. And then there's some other sand here. This is for sand blasting, silica sand. And I think we're gonna go with the play sand. Yeah? We're gonna go with the play sand, baby?
I guess.
I think. You can try that.
Landscaping.
Let's just get one and try it, okay? There's your cart, look. Right over there. Right there. We're gonna get just one of these, $4.65, natural play sand. We're not quite sure exactly which sand we're gonna get, either this one, we could get the silica sand. It's nice and fine, this is for sand blasting.
I like that fine sand.
You wanna get a bag of each? Because it's not that much more, that's only $5.25 and this is $4.65. Here, you're gonna lift it? Hey, lift with your legs. You got your belt on, like I got my belt on here. Use your legs. That away. How heavy is that? 50 pounds? Careful, baby. Oh. 50 pounds each. Okay, let's get out of here. Man, it's hard doing all this work.
Shovel?
No, we're just gonna dump it out of the bag. We got our rake. We can kind of push it around with the rake and see how the lines work with the rake, right? That's what we're gonna do. Come on, I need to get back anyways. I want to take some more video of the painters. They're over there right now, painting walls.
I think I'm gonna get a shovel.
Let's, you really don't need a shovel for this sand. Here, come on.
Get me on camera doing that.
Yeah, I did.
Rolling my eyes.
I did. Yeah. All right, we're gonna go back. We're gonna go back because I want to keep videoing the guys, the boys over there painting. Supposed to be spraying the walls, and I want to see how he's doing that. All right, home, James. Keep her going. Left, right, left. They didn't have any plastic. You remember seeing that? And so I got some flags. Putting the flags out, and why? Look at our bag. The sand's already coming out of it. It's just how it was put on there, and I don't want to get this all messed up here. So, whoosh.
With his knees.
With
Good
my
boy.
knees. Okay, that'll help protect the back.
All right.
But get your plastic next time at the store. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. Oh, hey, I wanted to show the rake real quick. We got it at this place, and I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't know if it's gonna work for this, because she wants lines in the sand. See this? You can adjust this, and you can, if you want the lines a little bit bigger, or even bigger. So we might try it about like that, right? Something like that.
All right.
We can draw our lines. Okay, gotta go.
Bye. I don't know how to turn it on.
Press the button. Right here. Right there.